In episode 4, we talked about why stability matters more than chasing exact numbers. But that leaves a practical question. What do you actually do when your humidor drifts? Humidity problems don't usually come from neglect, though faulty devices or extreme conditions, like very dry climates or large temperature swings, can be a factor. For most enthusiasts, overshooting is the real challenge. Today, we'll show you how to make small, controlled adjustments without shocking your cigars or overshooting the numbers. Overshooting happens because people treat humidity like a switch, when it's actually a system with inertia. When RH drifts, the instinct is to fix it immediately, adding multiple packs, swap to a higher percentage, open the humidor to speed things up. But humidity doesn't stabilize instantly. The air reacts quickly, cigars adjust more slowly, and the wood takes time to hit equilibrium. Even though you see the numbers move fast, the system isn't done adjusting. In most cases, stabilization takes days, not hours. That's how a small 2 to 3% drift can turn into a 10% swing if you're too aggressive. Pro tip, always check trends over several days, not a single reading. Here's the single rule that prevents almost every mistake. Never change more than one variable at a time. For example, changing pack type, adding or removing cigars, opening the humidor. These are all separate variables. Adjust one and then wait to see the effect. Normal use, like occasionally adding or removing cigars, is fine. The point is not stacking intentional adjustments on top of each other. Humidity adjustment isn't about speed, it's about isolating cause and effect. If your humidor is running too wet, here's how to respond safely. Step 1. Reduce humidity input incrementally. Remove one pack or slightly reduce total moisture sources. Adjust relative to your humidor size. The goal is small, gradual change. Step 2. Wait. Give the system 5 to 7 days to stabilize. Air may move quickly, but cigars and wood take longer to reach equilibrium. Step 3. Observe. Check trends, not daily numbers. If RH continues to drift week after week, repeat the same small adjustments, not a larger one. End condition. You're finished adjusting when the RH holds steady for several days without intervention. Edge note. Very large humidors or extreme setups may respond more slowly, but the principle stays the same. If your humidor is too dry, rapid correction can stress cigars. Here's the safe method. Step 1. Add moisture gradually. Use one properly sized pack or step up the percentage slightly. Avoid techniques that dump moisture quickly, like soaking sponges or jars inside the humidor. They may raise numbers fast, but remove control, increasing the risk of overshooting. Step 2. Wait. Let the system absorb moisture naturally, 5 to 7 days. Air numbers rise fast, but full stabilization comes only after cigars and wood equilibrate. Step 3. Confirm stability. You're done when the numbers stay steady, not just when they hit your target. Rapid swings in RH may not be visibly harmful to cigars immediately, but repeated or large corrections can cause uneven moisture distribution, affect burn and draw, alter flavor consistency. Many cigars tolerate occasional swings. The issue isn't whether damage always happens, is that risk increases with speed, size, and repetition. As we discussed in episode 4, stability matters more than chasing exact numbers. Here, we're not debating RH targets. We're showing how to maintain stability when things drift, with small, controlled adjustments. Numbers are a guide, not the whole story. Hygrometers help identify trends and confirm stability, but they don't replace careful observation. This mindset protects your cigars and keeps your humidor performing consistently. Another thing to keep in mind is that most storage mistakes aren't about wrong numbers. They're about rushed decisions. Humidity control isn't about chasing numbers. It's about controlled movement, patience, and observation. Small adjustments, one variable at a time. Enough time for the system to stabilize. If you remember nothing else, slow changes are safer than perfect numbers. In the next episode, we'll break down humidity packs versus beads versus gels, what actually works and what doesn't, and common misunderstandings. Because good cigar storage isn't reactive, it's deliberate.